What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Goblin H2 here with another video. So as you see, guys, got the bike all mounted, strapped up, getting ready to go to a event that is going to be at Exotics Power Performance, EPP. Make sure you follow those guys. They got good stuff coming up. And then it's going to be also with Clean Culture, I think it is. They do a lot of meets, car meets. They're pretty big. They're pretty well known on Instagram, so make sure you check those guys out too. And also ATX Tuner Society is going to be there, so we'll see how this event goes. Hopefully it does very well, but for now, let's go ahead and get this ready, closed up, and start getting ready to head over there, and we will see what's going on. Yeah, I know. I'm not riding the bike because it's too freaking cold. Yeah, for Texas, it's cold, man. This is not nice weather right now. I don't like it. So I'll see you guys later, man. Stay tuned, guys. All right, what is up, everyone? We finally made it. Already got the bike set up. So we're gonna wait on all the other vehicles to start coming in. Hopefully this event turns out to be a good one, but Wrath is already all set up there. She looking pretty. EPP's Mustang and their Corvette also. Man, this is a beautiful Supra. Ooh, love how it looks. All right, we got a beautiful Huracan coming in. I mean, look at the interior of this car. Ooh. Oh my God, look at all these women. Beautiful. Damn. That one got a little pep to it. There's Lee Joel. Guillermo in his beautiful C8. So it's Tyler on his bike. Beautiful BMW S1000RR. Y'all already have seen this one here.
Otra vez.
This is Milan having some fun with the SPK.
Now you got to do it.
I'm gonna have to cover my ears or something because I know how loud this is gonna get. I told you.
Do it like you mean it.
Do it! I'm playing pool right now. Oh yeah.
That was amazing.
So how does it feel to steal the fucking show?
Dude, you know what it is? It's breaking the building. That's what's up.
This guy.
Hey.
Nah. Oh wait. We got somebody else. Hold on. 1 minute.
Let's see
what he got.
All right.
Nah. Nope.
Nah,
That's a dud.
That's a dud.
Oh yeah. Oh, it made me ink. Oh my God. God dang. We're just keeping the neighborhood warm, that's all. Y'all be safe. Y'all take care. Y'all be safe. Hey, hermanito, y'all be safe. Talk to you later. Y'all be safe. It's cold. Tires don't warm up as good. So y'all be good. Y'all be safe, alright? Y'all be safe. Don't ride too slow. Wee. Holy shit! God dang! Shit! God dang! Holy shit! Damn! Damn, I don't have ears left. La buena vida. That's the end of the event. We had a good time. Turned out to be a good one. Hope you guys like the video once it's done. Just keep an eye out on this video and see you in the next one, guys. Remember, ride fast, ride safe, and see you in the next gear. Goblin H2 out.